you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Target Beauty Box versus Target Beauty Box. These are both for November. Do you want to see what's all inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my Target Beauty Boxes, both of them are for November. They just arrived, and I did put on my community tab and on my Instagram once these became available and let you guys know, hey, there's 2 of them this month and they are available. I went ahead and bought both of them just so we can see the difference between the two. And Target Beauty Boxes are $7 each, and they normally give you a $3 coupon. So if you use that $3 coupon, it's basically like getting this entire box for $4 with free shipping. You get to try out some amazing products. You get to see the box before you try it. It's not a monthly subscription where you're locked into it. You see the box and you decide from there if you want to purchase it or not. If you want to purchase it, you purchase it. You get free shipping. You get this amazing box that you can use for anything afterwards. This one, though, I got to tell you guys, is absolutely stunning. It looks like a peacock. And I love me some peacocks. So I'm gonna save that one for a second. Let's go ahead and get into this one. I think one of them was meant for curly hair. I'm not quite sure, but let's just see. This one says Beauty Boosters. And yes, there is the $3 off coupon if you spend $15 or more on cosmetics, skincare, or hair care. So I definitely keep that and try to use it. So when you open this one up, that's what it looks like. And let's go ahead and Jamaican Black Castor Oil Eyelash and Eyebrow Growth Serum, 100% natural, thicker, luscious lashes, thicker, fuller eyebrows in just 3 weeks. And this is a 3-month supply. What? I can't wait to try this then. So here's this big old serum bottle for eyelashes and eyebrow growth serum, 100% natural. Visibly improve in the overall appearance of eyelashes and eyebrows. Mascara wand inside. Here you go. So you can dip the whoop-de-woo up in the doop-de-doop and boop boop boop. How many different noises was that? Whatever. So you can whoop-de-woo it and then you can put it through your eyebrows. Like, I'm so excited to try this out. I'm so excited. How to use Sunny Island Jamaican Black Castor Oil for eyebrows and eyelash hair growth. Wash your face with a mild soap to remove all of the traces of makeup, oil, and dirt from the eyelashes and the eyebrows. Dip the mascara wand into the Sunny Island Jamaican Black Castor Oil Eyelash Growth Serum. Say that 10 times fast. Tapping off any excess oil. And it is important to apply a thin layer, so use a clean tissue to dab away drips from the wand if necessary. Brush the oil evenly throughout your eyelashes from inner to outer tip. Then use the wand to apply the oil to your lashes, just as you would use mascara. From root to tip, leave the oil on overnight and rinse off with mild soap in the morning before you apply your makeup or moisturizer. So this is something I'm gonna have to remember to wash my face again in the morning. Normally I take a shower at night, I clean everything, I tones, I moisturize, do everything. I wake up in the morning and I'm good to go. I just put my makeup on, do my hair, and I'm ready for the day. So I'm gonna have to remember when using this, I'm gonna have to wash my face again in the morning. But I'm so excited to try this out. I'm really excited to try this out. We've never got something, I don't think we've ever got something so good in a Target box before. I'm so excited. I'm so glad I purchased both of these. This is a leave-on Detangling Milk infused with argan oil, preps and strengthens hair for styling by detangling and softening curls. For dry, damaged hair, this is by Pantene. This is a gold series. Wow, so I'm excited to try that, a Detangling Milk. This would probably even be good if you have a small little girl at home that doesn't like her hair being brushed. This would probably be good as a detangling, but I can't wait to try it for myself. I mean, I don't get tangles, but anything that'll help this hair of mine, I'm definitely trying. And then another thing from the same gold series of Pantene, this is Hydrating Buttercream. Infused with argan oil, Miracle Cream formula softens hair and tames frizz for dry, damaged hair. So I can't wait to try that as well. So far, all 3 items I am totally loving. And then we get, this is for hair, skin, and nails. This is the Beauty, and this is, I use this brand for the women's. I tried to find the one for the hair, skin, and nails when I was at Target the other day, and I couldn't find it, so I grabbed another brand just to have, because I like taking the biotin to try to help my hair. So I use a different brand, but I can't wait to try it. Oh, I know why I didn't. Because this is grapefruit, and I don't like grapefruit. So at least now I can try this and see if, well, you know what? What's a little extra dosage for the day, right? What is it gonna kill? I don't think it'll hurt me. So let's see if this is really grapefruit. I taste grapefruit. But it's not that bad. Maybe it is. I think I could tolerate it if I were to try this one first and then my normal women's one, because my women's one tastes very good. So then it might counteract the flavors in my mouth. But I didn't see any other one by this brand for this specific thing for hair and nails that wasn't a grapefruit. And again, I normally don't like grapefruit, but I think I could manage that to take every day. So there was a sample that I just tried. There's that. Then we have 2 more things in here. This one is the Garnier Sleek Shot In Shower Styler. Cuts sleeking time in half. Mix with shampoo, rinse and condition. Blow dry to cut sleek time in half. I don't blow dry my hair, so I'll probably just go ahead and put this in a future giveaway because I know a lot of people do blow dry their hair, just I don't. And then this one is Beauty and Planet Coconut Water and Mimosa Flower Radical Refresher Body Wash. Ooh, I would like to try that. I haven't tried that scent. I don't like eating coconut, but I don't mind the smell of coconut. So I'll definitely try that in the shower. It's enough for one usage for sure. And then that'll tell me if I like it. And if I do, then I can purchase the other one. So that is everything that came in this box. So we got both of these samples here. We got this sample of the hair, nails, and skin vitamins, which are really good. It's just a little too much of the grapefruit taste for me, but I can tolerate that. Then we have this really big, like full-size product for your eyebrows and your eyelashes, which I can't wait to try out. And then we have these 2 Pantene products. And again, we have the $3 off coupon. So that's everything that came in this box, which I'm loving the outside. There's like crystals on here. If you guys didn't notice that, let me see. Look, there's crystals on this one. That is so cool. I love that. So there's box number 1. Now for this one that looks like a peacock, and I'm loving these colors. This one's heavier. This is curly hair, don't care. So this must be for curly hair. I don't have curly hair, but again, I wanted to get it to show you guys what it is so you know if you want to purchase it or not. It does have the $3 off coupon. Like I said, both of them normally do come with it. And this is what it looks like when you open it up. I'm seeing a lot of bigger items in these boxes lately, and good for you, Target. I see what you're doing. So this is a big Not Away leave-in detangler, way bigger than the leave-in conditioner that was in that one by Pantene. This is new Cream of Nature Pure Honey. I don't think this needs to be for just curly hair because it's a detangler. And I bet you this would be really good for my niece even because she has really curly hair. So this would probably be really good to put in her hair to detangle it. So I might try that and give it to her. For dry dehydrated hair, pure honey, rich coconut oil, creamy shea butter, no mineral oil. So that's really cool. And is that popcorn? Oh no, it'll look like popcorn down there. It's not popcorn. But there's that. So there's item number 1. Now we have is pink shea butter coconut oil. This is a leave-in conditioner and a moisturizing hair milk. And again, if these are specifically for curly hair, then I might go ahead and just give these to my boyfriend's sister for his niece, because they have really curly hair and I bet you they would love to try this stuff out. This is shea butter coconut oil for natural textured hair. Detangles, moisturizes, softens, adds shine, leave-in conditioner. And then this one is the same thing, but it says moisturizing hair milk with shea butter and coconut oil. So there's both of those. And that's a good size. What are these, 3 ounces? Oh no, 2. 2 fluid ounces on both of those. And then we have this guy here, which says Mixed Chicks Curl Sculptor with fast drying weightless curl creator, softens and moisturizes. So I'll probably go ahead and give that to her as well for our niece, because again, they have really curly hair. So if it'll help for them, then hey, great. And then we have Maybelline The Falsies. So here is a mascara. And I'm not gonna open this because I have so many mascaras going on right now that I'll probably go ahead and just set this in a future giveaway so somebody else can try that one out. And then we have Cream of Nature with Argan Oil from Morocco. Number 1 Edge Gel. Perfect edges, perfect hold, exotic shine, and makes hair stronger. Hair gel. So there's that. And again, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and hand this pretty much all of this stuff over to his sister so she can use for her daughter's hair, because they have, like I said, they have the really curly hair and I would love to give them, you know, share with the family. So I'll probably just go ahead and give most of all of this stuff to her. So this is everything that came in the curly one. Which again, this I don't think really has to be for curly hair, but this is a big thing of Not Away leave-in conditioner. And then here is the Argan Oil Perfect Edges. And then you have the Sculpting Curl Sculptor. And then these 2 guys here. And then you have the mascara. So I think that's a very good box, especially for $7, free shipping. And you have this box that you can use for storage. This is a big size right here, you guys. So I'm really impressed with this month's Target boxes. What do you guys think of these? Comment down below, let me know, did you purchase them? Are you waiting to purchase so you can see my video? Are you gonna purchase them now? Again, you do have the $3 off coupon. So if you go ahead and utilize this time to get things in these specific areas for the cosmetics, skincare, or hair care, then you can utilize that $3 off coupon. And then that basically makes this whole set for only $4. I never complain about my Target beauty boxes, you guys. And if they have more than one, more the merrier. I'm gonna get them all. And next month being Christmas, I think they'll come out with a men's box. Let's see. I'm hoping they do. So that is everything that I have for you guys. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you thought about them. And yeah, your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it. So comment down below, let me know. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye.